Okay, so today I want to share about the trade recap for 28th October. So the first thing I do is to understand the daily bias, right? Is it the trend, is it going up or down? So I go to the 4 hour, so 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15 minute. All right, so 4 hour, okay, 4 hour. So from Tuesday, 28th October, midnight. And then we just look in between the day, throughout the day. On the left side, there is this bullish break of structure. So I'll just put it bullish. Then on the 1 hour, so you can see during midnight, there is this bullish change of character. So I'm just gonna put bullish. Okay. Then on the 15 minute, yeah, so you can see that before before 8 a.m. there is this bearish change of character, this orange one. So for 15 minutes I use the orange and the blue signal, and it's showing some bearish sign because of this trend. So I'm just gonna put in bearish. All right, so 2 out of 3, um, from here 2 out of 3, right, you can see the overall trend is bullish, so the daily bias is bullish. So if the trend is bullish, I will have to look at um I have to draw the bullish 15-minute OB. All right, OB means order block. So basically this whole entire thing, right, is like a support. uh this OB is like a support. So if you take a look here, here is also another OB, right? So this is from yesterday, 27 October. So I'm gonna use this OB for reference, and this entire area is supported. So the strategy here, right, is that you can see that price actually break out of the OB like this, and then we test deeply into the OB, and then it came back up. All right, so this is the breakout of 15-minute OB, and then there's a retest of 15-minute OB. So when the strategy of breakout and retest, right, this means that um, there will be a high probability of trade going upwards. So during Asia session, you can see that the price really went upwards, and this is where I would take a trade. So again, my trading time for Asia session is 9 to 11. All right, so 9 to 11. So where's 9 a.m.? This is 9 a.m. Okay, so in the morning, what I look for, because the daily bias is bullish, so what I'm looking for is a change of character. Is a change of character, um, or a break of structure on the bullish side. So you can see from 9 a.m., right, there's this break of structure appearing. So I'm gonna take a trade like this. All right. and my base profit is 0.5%. So when it hit 0.5%, I will take most of the profit and I'll leave the rest to the upside. Okay, so that is how I managed to get like 0.5%. Then the next one is London. So before London actually started, right? So I'll do another analysis. You can see that price again break out of the 50-minute OB. And then what happened to the price again? It retests the 50-minute OB and went up again. Okay, so the price did this breakout of the OB, retest the OB, and then it went upward again. So this is the strategy of breakout and retest and having high probability setup. And this here, right, I only profited like 0.5 because of my base profit, like just right here. And yeah, I didn't go any further on this. So let's see. Yeah, I only took like 0.5%. So this is the trade that I took. Like I enter here, you can see I enter here and then I stop here. So 0.5 profit. Okay. Then the next one is New York session. So every time I take profit, right, then I will move on to the next session. So you can see that price once it retests the 50-minute OB, it break out the 50-minute OB once again. So you can see here, sorry, it break out the 50-minute OB again, and then it retests the 50-minute OB once again, right? And then look what price did. So retest, and then another trend to the upside. So this is the strategy of using 50-minute OB to see the breakout, the retest, and then this is a high probability setup. And then again for London session, a breakout of the 50-minute OB, retest, and then the London session have a high probability setup. Same thing for New York, breakout and retest. However, for New York, right, unfortunately, there is a loss. Even though the volume was very strong, um, like I can show you here that the volume is really very strong here, but market decide to fall back down. So this is not something that I can avoid. So I actually lost 0.57%. All right, and then I profit 0.5%. And then in the morning, same thing, like profit 0.5%. Right, so that's how I profit and then took a loss at the end. So that's the trade recap for 27 October.